Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one means children. Correct. Number two, we learn got. G-O-T. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob is a curious kid. Bob is a curious kid. Kid. He is a curious child. He is a curious young person. Now we can make a flashcard for kid. Please make a card like this. Write kid up here in the top left corner, K-I-D. Down here in this corner, P-E-O 1, V2. P-E-O 1 means people, level 1. And over here the number 27 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Kid. Same sound as big. Hit. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. You have got a car. You have got a car. Got. You've got a car. This means you have a car. Got has no meaning. So you have got a car and you have a car are both correct. Got has no meaning. Please listen and write this in your notebook. We have got to go now. We have got to go now. Got. We have got to go now. Also, got here has no meaning. We have got to go now and we have to go now are both correct, and we say both of them 50-50. When we speak very quickly, we say, I got a pen. Bob's gotta go to the hospital. Please make a card like this. Write got up here, G-O-T. Down here, G-W-1. This means grammar, word, level 1. And over here the number 52 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Aw. Got. Game over. You did very well. We learned kids and gotta. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1 with 3 sides. Triangle. Very good. Number 2, can you say it? Be foreign. This means from another country. And to open something up, it just means to open something. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.